Alright, so I just wanna share the first 2 weeks of June para sa akin, no? Bilang isang musician. Tsaka naman na yung pagiging business owner. Anyway, so, yeah, I just wanna share some of the projects we've been doing and some of the events that we played for, no? So, ayan, Skyway Traffic. So, June 1, we started the month off with MPO. 6-piece kami, or a wedding. And then, June 3, 5, and 7 sa Makati Shangri-La, no? And we played 3 days doon. And hopefully, we can play back there again soon. Then June 8, medyo weird tong wedding na to with Third Ave, no? Kasi the wedding started at around 8 p.m. Tapos natapos kami. I think nag-start yung dinner set namin was around 11 p.m. So natapos kami around 1:30. Ayan, gabing-gabi na. And then, we did a few recordings with Nueno Classico. So, abangan nyo, marami yan, masaya. And then, June 15, meron kaming out of town sa Indang, Cavite. Wedding also. And ganda nung venue. Then, June 16, last gig. Sinama ko na kasi malapit lang, diba? So, 51st wedding anniversary na nag-renewal of vows sila. And yun lang naman. Medyo nagkakasakit na. So, take care of your health and see you soon.